Hey there, business owners. Today, I'm diving into something absolutely crucial for your business project management software. If you think you can keep track of everything in your head or on scattered spreadsheets, think again. In today's fast-paced world, having a solid PM system isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Imagine this. You start a project thinking everything's under control, but halfway through, you realize expenses are piling up and deadlines are slipping. Sound familiar? That's where AlphaFam Management comes in. With years of experience under our belt, we specialize in setting up project management systems that do more than just organize your tasks. We help you track expenses in real time so you get a clear, accurate picture of your project's profitability. No more guessing games or end-of-project surprises. Think about it. Wouldn't it be amazing to have all your project's data right at your fingertips? From initial budget to final costs and everything in between, you'll know exactly where you stand at any given moment. This isn't just about tracking, it's about gaining insights that drive smarter decisions. Our team at AlphaFam Management will walk you through the entire setup process, making it seamless and stress-free. We customize the system to fit your unique business needs, ensuring you're always on track. Ready to take your business to the next level? Contact us today and let's discuss how we can help you unlock your project's true profitability. Don't wait until it's too late. The sooner you act, the sooner you'll see results. Thanks for watching, and remember, in business every detail counts. Let AlphaFam Management help you master them. Catch you in the next one.